Health officials say similar plans are being put in place at hospitals across the country. The last thing they want is a repeat of the situation in Dallas, Texas, where Ebola has exposed glaring gaps in containment procedures. Hundreds of people with little or no direct exposure to the virus are now in isolation. And as Jackson Prosco reports, American authorities weren't the only ones to underestimate this virus.
From isolation in Dallas, Ebola patient Nina Pham spoke to doctors before being airlifted to a specialized hospital near Washington.
She is quite stable now and resting comfortably.
Pham is one of two nurses who contracted the virus from deceased patient Thomas Duncan. The other, Amber Vinson, touched off a nationwide health scare after flying from Dallas to Cleveland and back again. Now Ebola fear is spiraling out of control. A bridal shop Vinson visited closed. Customers under quarantine.
I would never have known that she was ill.
A Dallas healthcare worker who handled Ebola samples isolated on a cruise ship at sea. A bus full of Marines briefly quarantined at the Pentagon. On and on the list goes. A growing number of Americans want a travel ban.
I believe it is the right policy to ban air travel from countries that have been hit hardest by the Ebola outbreak.
We've got an all-hands-on-deck approach across government to make sure that we are keeping the American people safe.
Today, President Obama appointed an Ebola czar to manage the crisis. The U.S. desperately wants a better international response to control the virus in West Africa.
There is no country that is exempt from being able to do something to be able to contribute to this effort and help make a difference.
Canada pledging an additional $30 million in aid. It's still a game of catch-up.
We have to be supporting those who are doing this good work on the ground in West Africa. This is where the disease will be contained.
In a leaked internal memo, the World Health Organization admits nearly everyone involved in the outbreak response failed to see some fairly plain writing on the wall. A botched initial response to the outbreak. Now the world is scrambling to stop it. Jackson Prosco, Global News, Washington.
We've posted the full video of an emotional Nina Pham recorded from her hospital bed. You can watch it on our website, globalnews.ca.